Hey guys, I'm back with my roomie Alice and we are making burgers.
I cut it the wrong way. Go.
Oh, do we need that many onions?
I mean, we could just save it for next time. Do you want me to smush them first?
Just don't you. No, in your hands. You gotta.
No, but like.
Yeah.
I feel like I should fucking.
You wanna pat them already? Okay.
We gotta make them flat regardless, because last time, remember?
Hey, fuck you. It was delicious.
I know, I'm not
It was
saying.
just, it was just yours was the trial run.
Why does mine have to be a trial run? Okay, you should do a rotation. Ready? We'll go. Put like my hand over it.
Hand over it and then lift it up. It kind of looks like one burger from this angle.
Okay, what if I do this?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Purified. Is this, why are you recording? I thought we were gonna do the full one.
I know. I could add the other thing on top, but I'm just seeing your immaculate technique right now.
Make a hole in the middle.
Why?
Because last time it exploded. Oh man.
Man, you
Are we making
up.
smash burgers or regular burgers? Regular burgers, right?
Probably regular burgers.
Ready?
I mean, you could use a regular. Oh yeah. It's just gonna be one side that is seasoned.
Are you serious? I'll just flip them over.
Right now?
Like after them.
Oh shit! It's that brick of salt you were talking about.
Told you it was hard. Okay, I'll just flip it over. And oh, that's gonna be super salty. I'm super shy. Super shy. The camera, the knife is covering the camera.
No, I'll put it in there.
It's good.
Oh fuck, you right. Amount.
Yeah, looks good.
Damn. I feel like people seeing you do this, they're gonna be so unappetized by burgers because you're just like mashing around ground beef.
I mean,
Bro, you're breaking them all.
like this video isn't supposed to be appetizing.
I know, that is true, but
It's
just,
supposed to be like-
I'm losing appetite. I'm supposed to eat this afterwards.
Okay, I think it's fine now. Or
Okay.
better at least.
Okay, some more seasoning on the side.
Yeah. Okay, I think that's fine for like everything. Okay, what now?
What
Cook them now?
Now we fucking cook them.
Okay. Okay. Should I wash my hands or should I just like move them over?
What do you think, Alice?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Alright.
Burger.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What? What you looking at? Wow, it's super hot here.
Yeah.
Fuck! Fuck!
Oh! Oh. Those are clearly less cooked than the other ones.
I mean, yeah, that's not hot.
Are you gonna put the onions on top?
Yeah. Ah, motherfucker! Looks like shit.
It looks like shit.
Cheese? Where's the cheese?
Wait, oh, chill. The cheese is right here.
I think it's overcooked.
My fault.
I need enough cheese. Alan!
Where's my cheese? Alright, should we toast the buns now?
Yeah, we should have done it.
The buns have been on the grill. They have been placed on the grill.
Burning my butt!
Yeah, but look how. Wait, move it around. Move it. That looks kind of yucky.
Look at it.
This doesn't look that bad at all. Wait, that's my burger.
I know.
You're gonna fuck it up by putting sriracha on it? I don't like sriracha.
Like this. Never.
Oh, God. You kind of ruined the squirrel aesthetic, no lie.
Nope. Or you can cut the shit out. Cut it out. Cut it out. I feel like you need more mayo. You know what? I think you need more mayo.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. The burger's already really wet.
Oh, flip. Look at that cheese on that boy. Cheese on it. You know, like food corn is, right?
This is
it's like shitty.
This is straight up the opposite.
This is like shitty food corn. This is like homemade food corn.
You know, typically the
homemade ones are actually better.
Yeah, they look good.
Okay.
Okay, can you? The buns are getting really wet from the sauce. You gotta. Can you add the toppings and shit, please?
Give me head top.
Hey. Just put
You can't judge, okay? You know people don't have like you want lettuce?
You don't put lettuce on it.
I do, but it's kind of like
oh, it's the wilted kind. Oh, never mind. Put that down. Put that. That's so wet. Okay. Nice.
I got spanking now.
Oh yeah. All right. Cheers, my friends. Like it's greasy, but like it's a burger. Thoughts?
It's definitely a burger. So mine is completely burnt on the bottom, so taking a bite of that felt like I dove head first into a chimney. So I'm just gonna try to avoid that.
A lot of smoky flavors on it.
Not on purpose though.
I really like the onion taste. Like the cooked onion, like it's kind of charred. Got lack of what?
Onions on yours?
No, I got some.
Okay. Wonderful. Not bad.
It's not bad.
Not bad at all. I thought the buns would be like juicier, but
I put a 6, but I was lying. I was thinking this would be a 3. So this is like succeeding my expectations right now by a lot.
honestly, I can't take the seasoning for me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So more next time.
But like the build physically, despite it being burnt, it's not bad.
I'm not really a tomatoes guy,
Yeah.
but I think it definitely adds like a flavor of ketchup to it because we're missing ketchup. So I do appreciate that.
I feel it's juicy.
It's juicy.
But I don't know if it's sensitive. So we
I'm not saying words.
you like the sensitive?
You're not saying words. You're just mumbling with your mouth full.
You like the sensitive for me?
What?
You want
No.
finish?
No. Finish it for you. You got a 4 out of 10. It matched your expectations.
Yeah. Okay. Can I give floating numbers? Can you decimal numbers?
Of course.
Okay.
There are no rules.
No rules, no. I'm gonna give it 4.5 out of 10. Right?
4.5 more.
Yeah. But I didn't think it would actually taste edible. That's pretty edible. I just don't want to eat it anymore.
I'm gonna have to give it a whopping 5 out of 10.
You wrote that up backwards, right?
God damn it. 5 out of 10.
That was a pretty good breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was pretty
I don't know if it's classified as breakfast when it's 5 o'clock, but
5.
I think so. Yeah, 5 o'clock.
Damn. Okay, bye. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.